So hello guys, welcome to my channel Dev Wealth. So I just recently changed my channel name from Rich PHP to Dev Wealth, and also I am uploading this video after so long time, almost 2 year. So sorry for that, and I hope you guys still support this video. So let's start the video. So this video is about installing Docker and Docker Compose in the Ubuntu system. So basically I'm using Ubuntu 24.10 version. So yeah, so first we need to install the basic software that I require. You might already have in your system, but if not, use this command. So basically all command I have written in here editor in text editor. Don't worry, I will post this command in the description for your use. You just copy paste this command. Now to download Docker, we need to save the GPG key in our system. It's download and save the key. We're done. Basically it is text, so it won't just with click it save that file. Now we have set the URL in our system to download the Docker. Yeah, it is also just set the URL. Now we need to update the apt list. For that, run the command apt update. So the above download Docker are added in our list. Yeah, here we go. If you see here, there is a download docker.com domain is added in our list. Now, first we need to install the Docker. For that, run this command apt install docker cli and container.io. So basically what it do, it will install this software which is required to run the Docker. And here we go. It might have like 500 MB size. Yeah. So yeah, 164 downloadable size is 137 MB. So not that bad. It will take definitely some time. I will skip this part if it's require more lots of time. Now we are almost there. Just is unpacking the package which are downloaded earlier. Now we can use the systemctl command to start the Docker. Here we go. This is the command systemctl start Docker. Okay, Docker is start. Now to check status, just use this command. Here we go. You can see the data is running. Now you can also check the Docker version, which version is installed. Here it is 28.0.1 and build number if it's required. Now we need to download the Docker Composer file. To run the Docker Composer command to build the YML file. So basically what this command do, this command download the Docker Composer file from this GitHub URL and save it in this URL, user local bin docker compose. It I think 50 MB, around 50 MB. It depends on your net speed, how much time it takes. So right now I have around 1 MB BS speed, so it won't take much. Let's go. Okay, wait after this over. Wait 20 seconds, almost there. Now, okay, after this done, the important part is to give the executable permission to the Docker Composer file. For that, we use chmod. Okay, okay, huh. First, copy this file name. You can copy it from here. Then we need to give the executable permission to that file. For that, use +x. This will give the permission to execute executable permission to this Docker Compose file. Okay, done. We have Docker and the Docker Composer. Now, if you don't want to always use Docker sudo in front of Docker, you can add Docker as a executive user as a user. So for that, run this command. This might be not for because I'm logging in as a super user. So you can create a group. Let's see it's work. Okay, it's create a new group. Now run docker ps to check it is working. Okay, now it's working fine. So yeah, now we install the Docker and Docker Composer. So basically Docker Composer is required to run the YML file. So why we use the YML file? YML file is used to fetch the multiple image at a time. We will see in the next video. It is so easy and it will create environment that can have a lightweighted and can be used in a different machine. Just need to send a single file. Okay, thank you so much guys. This is it for today's video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe, and also post the questions in the comment. If you have any doubt, just post in the comment. I will answer to that questions. So yeah, that's it guys, and thank you so much again. Bye bye.